Now let us take another paper and we are folding it, and this one may be familiar to you. This is an aeroplane. It can fly. Do you like to fly? Then why don't you make an aeroplane? Fly it. Here we are making another aeroplane. Now let us take another paper and we are folding it, and this one may be familiar to you. This is an aeroplane. This can also fly. Now let us take another piece of paper and just fold it, and after that we have to fold it diagonally. Then we make some marks on it, and there is a square mark at the center, and we fold the paper along that mark and then carefully fold as shown in the video, and finally we will get a heart shape.